If you're wondering how to see who shared your post on Instagram, wonder no more. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. It's a simple process and a great way to keep track of who's sharing your content. Keep watching to learn how it's done. First, open the Instagram app. From the homepage, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, select the post you want to check. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner to view a list of options. From these options, select View Story Reshares. This will display all the current public reshares of your post. To see who shared it, tap on the reshare, and the profile picture in the top left corner will show you who shared your post. You can tap their profile picture to visit their profile. That's how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section below.